What's that saying? There are lies, and then there are damned lies. I'm sure that's a saying. Correct me if I'm wrong, or point me in the direction where I've got that from. The reason I say that is that on YouTube and most social media, in fact all of the social media, it's become so bizarrely commonplace to basically just lie. Absolutely to your face lie. Even on channels that you would assume that they would do some kind of due diligence on the guests that they have. And it's almost just really pointless, really quite silly things. For instance, when I started this channel 1 billion years ago and then basically left it forever and then come back sporadically like I am right now, I would get called out even just for the smallest error in, say, the thumbnail, where I would maybe make it a bit more elaborate than what it is, or maybe in my description or in the title of the video it may not be, you know, 100% of what the video is. You know, I might be sort of being a bit dramatic. And back then, and that's not too far ago, a few years ago, I would get called out and people would put thumbs down saying, you know, you're I can't remember the term used, but they would, you know, they would say you're not being genuine in what you're presenting to us. And so, you know, I always would say exactly what it is that the video is about in the description and so on, which to the detriment of my own sort of views that I got for those videos. But nowadays, and I've seen it the last sort of maybe couple of years, maybe more, that thumbnails just do not represent anything to do with the actual video that you're seeing. You started to see it a lot on things like, I think TikTok pretty much sort of started it off a little bit, where you sort of scroll through and you'd sort of see the things come up, and also, what's the other one? Instagram. I saw that a lot happen on Instagram, where you would sort of scroll through and it'd be like, oh, okay, that looks interesting, that's weird. And it had absolutely nothing. And it started, I think it all started with these sort of short form videos to grab attention, where it would be just a couple of frames at the end of the video was the actual thumbnail, which had no actual relevance to the rest of the video that was the majority of the video. And now we're seeing that in thumbnails on YouTube. YouTube seemed to allow it. And it's coming towards also the content of videos, where, you know, they will just spout nonsense. And that, you know, of course, you could say, well, that's just opinion. But I've seen people on really big channels that have millions of subscribers that talk about as if they knowingly, you know, understand that subject or have deep knowledge of that subject, and it's just bullshit. And sometimes it's just the most unusual thing. I watched a video, and this is why I'm doing this video now, because it sort of irked me a little bit. There was a video I watched, I won't name the channel, but because it's a huge channel, a massive channel, very popular, hosted by a British guy, and he has this guest who's talking about Phil Collins. Now, I'm a big fan of Phil Collins, massive fan, even bigger fan of Genesis, to be fair. And I've read the autobiographies, I've read Genesis autobiographies, you know, all those things. I've got a deep invested knowledge of Genesis and Phil Collins and so on. So when I saw this video, the guy, this guest, is talking about, doesn't actually say Phil Collins at first until he introduces the song. But leading up to all of that, he sort of does this story. He's obviously created this story and around the myth of Phil Collins. But the majority of it is just completely made up nonsense. And they're all sitting there in sort of awe, as if what this guy is saying is true. And I had to call it out in the comments. I said, you know, basically a lot of what you're saying is completely untrue and false. You know, you only have to read Phil Collins's autobiography to understand that. And so many people in the comments are like, wow, so amazing, how did he do that, how did he do this? And you just think, it's because this guy's making up absolute nonsense in this video, and everyone's being sucked in by this guy's bullshit. And I just see it more and more, where it's just, you know, what does this guy gain? What does he hope to gain from telling this story? Is it just, you know, oh, you're amazing because you know all this stuff about this person that's all made up? I just don't know. I just don't understand. I don't understand anymore. I think that's basically it. It just seems to be okay to lie. It doesn't matter, as long as you get those clicks, as long as you get those views, as long as you get someone clicking on your video. That's just out and out lie, until somebody calls us out, and then we'll say, oh, well, I misspoke, or I did this, or I did that, or it's just an opinion piece, or it's just this. It's just bullshit. That's what it is. And I'm tired, and I'm getting more and more tired of seeing videos where you just think, oh, that's interesting, click on that, oh, it's bullshit. That looks interesting, I'll click on that. Oh, look, a load of bullshit. And we're seeing more and more of this. And it's only going to get worse, and it's already getting bad with AI slop, which is just basically people creating videos from AI that are really badly researched and just gone Apple TV, new device, 2026, and left AI to get on with it. You just see it a lot around new products and so-called, you know, reviews of certain things that haven't come out yet. Just this hunger to get clicks, and it's just so disingenuous. Yeah, so I just want to know, you know, if that's something that you've noticed a lot of, or whether it's just I'm getting, you know, grumpy old man syndrome. You know, it's the reason I call it out so much is because just a few years ago, even just a slightly incorrect or exaggerated thumbnail would get you called out, you know, as clickbaiting, just constantly. And now clickbaiting is just seems to be common practice now and accepted. And I just don't understand why that has suddenly changed, why that is now okay, and that it's now starting to become okay just to lie in a video. It doesn't matter, as long as we get the views, you know, let's just lie. You know, it's just, I don't know, it's crazy, man. Anyway, that's me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Out of all the people that would probably watch this video, it's probably three people that would watch this video, so one of you write something. I might even do more videos, who knows. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. It's mental, absolutely mental.